que vos decís?
$1, organic peanut, very, very good. Cuban peanut, $1.
It's called the Cuban Sandwich.
Yo no nací en Cuba. No.
Vámonos pa'l monte, el monte va para allá. Oye, vámonos pa'l monte, el monte me gusta más. El monte oye todo el mundo baila. Un trago de ron y que viva. Vámonos pa'l monte, el monte me gusta más. Vámonos pa'l monte.
So folks, I want to formally welcome everybody to Miami Culinary Tours. This is the Little Havana local food tour and cultural tour. I get so excited to just spend a little time with you and walk you through a small part of Little Havana, but it's definitely where the action is. Cuban coffee, we're drinking this all day long. Has anybody had it before?
I drink it every day.
I hope you do. Look who you have. Of course you do. Right away, I want to tell you about Domino Park, because this is really the heartbeat of Little Havana. All our parks have opened. All our beaches are open, you know. And now these little parks that have the dominoes are still like the last to open for obvious reasons. The elderly are here playing dominoes very close together. But the story behind it is like 1962, 1963. A few Cuban gentlemen just started to play dominoes right here in this little table.
The Cuban life is domino. Every day.
Every day, so you
Every
come here
day.
every day and playing dominoes.
Yeah, play domino.
And more are showing up, and the city's like, okay, we need to do something for our elders. And they invest $125,000 originally to build this little plaza, right? With this plaza comes some rules. You have to be part of the association. Free, okay. You have to be 55 and older. All right. But this is when it gets really good. You can't drink, you can't smoke, you can't gamble, you can't curse, you can't spit, shout, you have to wear a shirt, you have to wear shoes, and you can't bring a gun and you can't bring a knife. All the good things that happen in a Cuban domino match are out the window. But they still show up every single day, and it's really charming to see. Has anybody played dominoes before? You guys? No? It's a fun little thing.
It's a fun game.
No? Yeah? Yeah, it's so funny. I always think that everybody grew up playing dominoes. It must be a Miami thing.
I know, I guess it's a Miami thing.
But also Latin thing. You know,
Yeah.
because I think, anyway. So this is it's a really easy game. I'm going to encourage you guys to get
It's
a
so
set,
fun.
okay? So that is Domino Park. We're really hopeful. I keep talking to the Rangers here.
I know.
They keep saying next week, next week.
Right now it's closed. Right now it's closed.
Oh, it's closed now.
Maybe the next week. The next
Okay.
week open.
Okay, so we're hopeful. The next time you come, I want you to come straight here. You'll see how lovely it is.
Our first stop.
Okay, you know what? Since we all have our drinks, I wanted to do a Miami thing. Everybody get those drinks up in the air. We say salud. 1, 2, 3.
Salud.
That's what I'm talking about. Wait till you try this with my Miami local.
Sure.
Wait till you try it. You guys, it's all about the balance. So for my guys over here, the sandwich that's coming out, it's called the Cuban Sandwich, roasted pork. But not just any roasted pork. The pork has been marinated in mojo. Say mojo.
Mojo.
He's got it. He's already speaking Spanish to me. I love it.
Yeah.
So mojo is sour orange, garlic, oregano, cumin, a bay leaf, and they marinate their pork in this. Every single Cuban family I know and restaurant roast their own pork. That's what makes this sandwich so perfect. And then what about the drink? You notice that little rosy little top?
Yeah. The rosy top.
The beauty about this is that it's such a Miami or South Florida drink because they use fresh mint. We have fresh mint all year round. Yerba buena. Fresh mint. You have lime, sugar. All they do is muddle it to get the essence of the mint. Crushed ice. Bacardi Superior, very clear, nice, high quality rum. A little bit of club soda, and then the finale is a little drop of bitters. And that's what they do in Havana. You guys are gonna love this. Oh, he's not shy. Mirarte la vueltita. He went and got a permit to sell peanuts. I don't know how it is back home, but no one gets permits over here. So he's very proud. But what you'll hear him say throughout our tour, you know, he'll be here all day until probably 6 o'clock. Decí lo que vos decís.
$1, organic peanut, very, very good. Cuban peanut, $1. Eat the peanut, be happy. No peanut, no happy people. $1 only.
Famous Cuban sandwich. Look how delicious that looks. Lovey's trying to set up. It's so much work setting everything up.
So think about it. Pickles, mustard, Swiss cheese, not very Cuban. The reason you see that Cuban sandwich today in Cuba is because of the tourists asking for the Cuban sandwich. So this is total South Florida. I would give Tampa some credit because it was the first bakery. Without that Cuban bread, this ain't happening. I'm telling you, no matter where you've had this sandwich before, it has to do with the Cuban bread and the roasted pork.
Al monte yo me voy a bailar, al monte yo me voy a gozar, al monte, para Yolanda, al monte, vamos muchachos. Vamos a campeón, vámonos al monte, el monte para allá. Yolanda, thank you.
All our Cuban favorite pastries, look. Empanadas, pasteles de guayaba.
Cuban empanada. Got it? That's a really lovely word to say, empanada.
Where did empanadas first start?
Well, the Cuban one, the origins are Spain. But if you look around the world, I want you to think this. Dough, deliciousness, seal. Look around the world, the samosas, the dumplings, you know, the Jamaican patties, the calzone, the pasties from the UK. This is all, to me, an empanada. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. Look at that froth. You see that little nice little top little layer? That's when you know you're getting it fresh, fresh, fresh. And look how cute. I'm just gonna serve it in these little cups.
You're welcome to try it if you'd like.
Oh
Yeah.
I had growing up. I had coffee every
I
morning
don't think you will like
with
it,
bread.
but you
That's
will
all
may try
ate,
it.
really, 'cause I didn't eat anything else. I didn't eat
There's a
coffee.
whole
Yeah,
lot of
it's still basic.
If you
My
guys,
ETT's go. We're enjoying our empanadas. I got a meat one, and Courtney got a spinach one. Looks delicious. Show. Look, mine's with meat. It's doughy, right? It's yummy.
so we got to go visit all kinds of things.
A lot of influence from Generation Z. I love cigars. Let's learn about cigars.
yeah, because I have a feeling, you know.
Is the outside the same as the inside?
So it could vary. The many different leaves go inside. So in this particular one, we'd have to ask to see what it is. So Peter, maybe you know.
Just doing filler and binder. There's 3 different types of tobacco from the same plant. Filler, binder, and wrapper. Filler goes in the center. It goes in the center, and that's what gets the strength of the cigar. So depending on the percentage of you put of filler, that's how strong the cigar is going to be. Then the filler is going to go wrap around the binder, which the binder is the leaf that she's got flat on the board, and now she's going to put the filler. She's going to wrap it with a binder. After she finishes doing that, it's going to go into this mold, goes to the press, stays in the press from 20 to 25 minutes, comes back to the table, and she's going to put the outside wrapper. And then the product is finished. It goes away for 90 days to rest to get rid of the humidity, and they're ready to be smoked. But again, the cigar is just like wine. The older the better. Like those behind you, those are 5-year vintage. So it becomes better and also becomes more expensive. They go for $45 a stick, limited production, so we don't sell more than 3 per customer. Okay? So right now she's doing half of the cigar. Cigar is not done yet until she puts the wrapper. Now if you're not a tobacconist and you look at it, you see a whole bunch of tobacco leaves. Since she's a cigar roller, she could tell which is the one that is the filler, the binder, and she's got the wrapper put away, being ready to be used at the end of the day. And then she'll be finishing the 100 cigars and she's got to make everything.
All three parts are from the same plant.
From the same plant.
We need one of these, Lovey. We need one. You want one? You can smoke your cigars and play dominoes with a mojito. Yeah, mojito.
But over here, this family, this couple, beautiful. I mean, he was a lawyer in Cuba. The wife was in the travel industry. They opened up this small little gourmet coffee shop that they roast their own coffee.
Yeah, I love all these places.
This place. And I'm gonna take it like, stay in there.
Okay.
That's right, Tom. Los Buccaneers.
Gracias. Hola, chicos.
Buena familia, ¿cómo
This is the meat. These are made. We're gonna see them later.
Thank you, thank you.
Fabulous salsa dancer, an incredible band.
Baila.
This is for you, our cameraman. Non-fish. I want to make sure you eat. All right, so we are gonna have croquetas de bacalao. Not the most traditional Cuban one that's ham. Bacalao, I want you to think Spain. And bacalao means cod. That's it. Very, very mild, you guys. So it's a little bit of fish with like butter and flour. Very, very mild, but so yummy. These are incredibly popular here as snacks. Spread some butter, and they put in that sand, like a toast, like a press, and it becomes this thin. I don't even know what to say. So Celia Cruz.
Courtney.
Not only that, look at the beautiful Celia Cruz that our local artist, Miss Lushy. Miss Lushy. Look at that. Fantastic. You guys, this is Rodolfo, one of the best rollers. He was an instructor in Cuba. He taught thousands and thousands to roll cigars. Him and his wife traveled all over. But yeah, he's one of my favorite rollers. I had to get the gossip. Anybody know what this is? You don't say anything, Angela. You better know what this is. Do you know what this is? This is, you don't know what this is? Mamey. Mamey. That's so interesting. This is very popular here because of the Cuban culture. The inside, guess what I did today? And I did this just because it's ripe and it's very rare, like it's only one time of year. But I want you guys to try it, so I got one for us, okay? It's a cross between like a papaya and a sweet potato. It's very funky, but so exotic that I just had to share. So guys, please help yourself. Wait till you try this deliciousness. Give me a little bit of papaya and sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Here you go. You got it.
Oh my god, it's so soft.
It really is very ripe. You have to have it when it's ripe. Otherwise it's, yeah. So what we love about this churro is they wait to see me and then they drop the dough. So we're getting a fresh churro.
In the other room.
What's this store here?
Yes.
Here you go.
Perfect.
Oh, he took you.
Yummy.
Thank you, Jenny. Coming around with your fresh churro. she really brought some life back over here, and locals went crazy. For example, Castro Dies, what do you think she makes? A flavor called Burn in Hell Fidel.
That's funny. That's funny. I like
Chocolate
I love
ice
her.
cream, cayenne
I love
pepper.
her.
People were lined up for like weeks.
Could
She said,
imagine.
Mirka, I had to pull off that flavor. She had to take the flavor out. She'll bring it back every once in a while. But guys, this is our last stop, and I just wanted to take a moment while we're enjoying our ice cream to say thank you. We are so appreciative, especially during these COVID times, that you guys chose Miami and chose Miami Culinary Tours.
On our
Where
YouTube
from?
channel.
Where from?
We're from Orlando.
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 Oh,
Pero
Florida.
Yo viví aquí en Miami también.
Oh,
Sí.
¿dónde?
Mi tía y mi abuelita vivieron en 17th Avenue.
Ah, 17th Avenue.
17th
Ah,
Avenue, ya.
en la 27.
Ajá.
Diviértanse. Bienvenida otra vez a Miami.
Gracias. Siempre extraño Miami.
Mira,
Este más o menos.
este es de los racistas que hay aquí,
Oh,
vino
sí,
de Cuba.
Oh, ¿es vino de Cuba?
Sí,
Sí.
pero es gallego.
Oh, es gallego.
No se
Ok.
bañan casi.
¿No?
No se bañan.
¿Por qué no?
Porque dice que el agua le hace daño.
No.
Sí, sí. Fíjate que él es más blanco, pero con
Ah,
el
sí, más
sucio.
blanco.
Con el sucio se ha puesto moreno.
Siéntese. Love, you gonna play dominoes with them? Let's play little dominoes. Yo soy cubana.